Amen, 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 amen. Agya Waye Me Yie. Hello guys, welcome back to Piano with Nick. I'm here with another video. Okay, so we are looking at a song by Kweku Teye, Agya Waye Me Yie. Okay, so the song was done in the key of A, but I will be playing in the key of F. Okay, so if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe, so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be one of the first to get it. Okay, so the first tone I was using was full organ. Okay, full organ. So on the Yamaha PSR 463, it's on 030. Okay, so you can get that tone on 030. Okay, so let's check the intro breakdown. Okay, I'm doing this. So what is that? I'm doing this. Okay, so I'm flipping from the B flat, B and C. Okay, so like this. Then to the A. Okay. Then the first chord I'm doing the 1. Then 4. Then 5. Then 1. That is what I'm doing on the left hand. Okay, so like this. So let's check what I'm doing. So like I said, flipping from the B flat to the C, to the A, then C to D, B flats, then D, E, C, then the F. So one more time slowly. So that is that for this particular part. Okay, and the song has the interlude. Okay, so in the beginning of the song they were doing some interlude. Okay, so that is what we are about to treat. So with that, the tone I'm using is DX Legend. Okay, and they are doing this. So that is the part. Amen, 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 amen. Agya Waye Me Yie. So let's check the chords. On the 4, to the 2, to the 1/5, to the 5, then 1, flat 7, 4, 2, 1/5, then 5, then the 1. It goes like this. Nyapum prantia say no, anona ufaye nuye, ni da swasano, eona wishe udeni monyam. Last one. Nyapum prantia say no, enona ufaye nuye, ni da swasano, eona wishe udeni monyam. Nyapum prantia say no, enona ufaye nuye, ni da swasano, eona wishe udeni monyam. Agya Waye Me Yie, Agya Waye Me Yie, oh, ni da swasano, eona wishe udeni monyam. Ni da swasano, eona wishe udeni monyam. So guys, basically that is what they use for this particular song. It's a very powerful song. I love the song so much. Okay, so subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in another video. Okay, bye.